Welcome.
Dear friends, let us go to the email, go to the drive, go to the website which you have already created. Now we will add up a button and include an payment link, right? I have one WhatsApp payment link. The other is one normal payment link by one website payment gateway, right? Let us see how to add the payment gateway. Now we can add the payment button somewhere just after this. Okay, go to the if you see the right side, see here there is a button, right? In an insert option there is a button. Right, just click that button. Now it is asking for the name. Just type it as buy online. Now we need to add up the link, right? I have the link with me. Just a minute. I have copied the link. I am pasting it here, right? This is the payment gateway link which I have generated from a website payment gateway, right? Now you click insert. Now it has gone to the left side. Now just drag it and make it at the center, right? If you want to increase the size, length, you can increase the length. Better you increase the length. Just drag it, right? Now online button, there is buy online button is ready, right? Online button is ready, okay? That means the payment gateway is ready. Payment gateway. So using this button, any person or any user can buy it, right? Just wait, I will see this. Let us publish it in order to see the changes we made in the website, right? Let us publish it. Right click at the top corner, right top. Now publish it. Right, it got published. Your site has been published successfully. Now view the site, right? Now come down. Yes, this is our buy button. Just click that button. Suppose a user who come across the website, just click the button, want to buy online. It will lead to the payment gateway. See here, this is the payment gateway for my company which I have generated. So you need to enter the amount, you need to mention the purpose of payment, you need to enter the phone number, email ID, then click make payment. So once that is done, you will receive the money, right? An email will be sent from this payment gateway to our email ID, whatever email ID that we give, right? This is how to create a or how to embed a payment gateway into a button in the case of free website, right? This is how to do, right? Thank you so much, friends.
Thank you.